Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making an all-time low-carb and keto favorite, fathead pizza. Obviously you guys know this dough is super versatile, so you can use it for a lot of different recipes. But today I'm actually going to be making a Philly cheesesteak pizza. So I will show you guys all my toppings and everything. It's gonna be so good. It's the first time I'm making this, so I'm super excited about it. And real quick, if you haven't been here before, welcome to my channel. Be sure to check out my other videos, and to do that, you're gonna want to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as like and comment on this video. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to show you how to make the dough, and then we'll put all the toppings on and bake it, and we'll go from there. So that is the finished product. I'm all done. I used avocado oil and garlic as the base. I added some really easy steak things I got from Sam's Club. I'll include them in the description box down below. I can't remember the name of them right now. And then I used the new Taco Bell cheese that they sell at Target. I was so excited to see that because I used to love their cheese roll-ups because their cheese is so good. So I used that on top of the pizza, and it's all done. So this is supposed to be for lunch tomorrow, but I don't know if I can make it last that long because it looks so good and smells so good too. So I really hope you guys try and make this. Alright, so thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, bye!